it's your boy Juan back at it with another unboxing video. Yes, sir. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, or if you haven't checked out the video that I posted a few days ago, y'all know your boy got the cool way 11, and I'm damaging this box. Yo, like I said before, I just entered the raffle, even though I figured I wouldn't even win nothing. I did my size on champs. It took for shits and giggles. I did my brother's size, it's a 10.5. Didn't get the pickup option for both, so they gave me another chance to win with the ship to me option. Didn't get the ship to me option with chance, but I got it from Foot Locker. So shout out to Foot Locker for this pair of the 10.5. I really appreciate it, because I haven't won a raffle since the 5-way force, which was last year, 2020, so over a year pretty much. And I'm pretty excited. Better should open the shit up. Wish I don't cut myself. But honestly, if I had my size, I don't know. Wish I don't mess up the box. Better toss that up there. Woo. Woo. Come on, I'm not. Nope, I don't. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Just clean. I'm gonna go ahead and not just toss. Oh, hold on. Got some other stuff. Make sure I show my address. Thank you for your purchase. I can read this later. It's like a return slip. Go ahead and put that box there. So I noticed in like some of my unboxing videos, I don't really show out the box all that much. So here it is. You probably can't even see it, but the Cool Grey 11 box, pretty dope, very nice. I like the fact that they're giving us special boxes for most of these shoes, so it's really great. So like all over Cool Grey box, really dope, very clean. It does have Nike Air right there on both sides of the shoe. Back, what the bottom is regular decorative. So, like I said, this says 10.5. Like this right here. Ooh, the Cool Grey 11. These joints is fire. These are fire. I ain't gonna hold you. The tongue feels nice. Just overall great shoe, white, the nice icy bottom. Look at the nice icy bottom. So clean. And y'all already know, like I said, this is not my size, so unfortunately I won't be able to do more feet when I do a full-on review of the shoe. But other than that, this is a really dope looking shoe. And to be honest though, even if I got my size, I probably would have sold it or traded or whatever. Because, like I said, I have my butt 11 and I don't really wear those as much. I feel like 11s, for the most part, are more like classy, dressy shoes rather than like something you wear like on a daily. And like I said, I don't wear my butt 11s or like that. So if I would have gotten these, this would have been the same situation. But it's all good. But these joints is fire. I cannot wait to do a full-on review of the shoe. Very clean, nice shiny thing on the back. That goodness. Let me know in the comment section below if you was able to hit on the Cool Grey 11. Let me know in the comment section below if you was able to get your pair in the mail. Like I said before, this is dope. Like, very, very dope. I'm glad I got it done. And this pair looks pretty good. Definitely perfect. Nothing, no like glue stains, no like factory flaws, nothing like that. Just perfect. Flawless victory. And here is the other shoe. Very nice, very dope. Like I said, I will be doing a full-on review of the shoes just without eating more feet. Like I said before, let me know if you was able to get the Cool Grey 11s when they drop. And let me know if you're gonna keep for the toe or just sell them. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of people have been selling these shoes, but these are pretty dope. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video. Want my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on channel and Instagram so you guys get updated when I post a vid. And let me know. And I gotta say it again. Get the cool way lovers though, or no? They're dope to me. Y'all already know. So, thank you guys for watching, and peace.